Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Zendesk API. Now, once you log into your Zendesk account, I want you to come here and navigate to settings, okay? Basically, you need to click on this gear cog. Once you click on this, I want you to click on Go to Admin Center. And from here, okay, we will go ahead and access our API settings. So here on the left-hand panel, I want you to look for apps and integration. So go ahead and click on this. And here you'll see APIs, okay? Once this drop down comes up, you'll see Zendesk API and Conversations API. Okay, depending on what you're looking to integrate. So in this case, we'll do Zendesk, right? So here you'll see the token access, okay? And what I need you to do is generate a new API token. So you just come here, you need to just first enable the token access first. And once it's enabled, guys, you can generate, your API key and add a description for it. Just click on add API token and they'll give you one, right? I blurred this out, but just go ahead and get that, copy that, and use it. Really, that isn't simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.